right, today's featured truck is a Cool Pete from Spencer. This thing we saw up at the Great Canadian Truck Show, and you want to make sure you get there this year. When we first saw him, he had a spare truck, but boy, he's got this working well now. It's a beautiful, beautiful Peterbilt. Not sure what year it is. Looks like it might be in the late. I don't know if it's. No, I don't think it's the late 70s. I don't think it's that far back. But this thing is beautiful. Double toned red, full red with a burgundy striping package on it, silver decals, half fenders on it. This thing is just gleaming with chrome all the way around. All the standard features. Beautiful horsetail on the top there, or horse handle for the hood. Big Texas bumper on it for sure. He's got a light package, goes all the way around, but not mostly on the breathers. He's hauling livestock with it. This thing is certainly set to be a beautiful ride. We met Spencer a couple years ago out of our friend over at Chrome Supply Warehouse. He's got the bull the bull image on the back, tinted window. He's got beautiful light package inside the back of the sleeper. This thing is set to ride. Nice black frame, full tank packages, all polished up, and it looks just beautiful. So thanks, Spencer, for sending this one along. We saw it up. We didn't get a chance to talk with him too much because he was on his way out with someone else there, but it was good to see him there, and Spencer's certainly a nice guy. So well kept truck, and great to see that as our featured truck of the week.